Today, let me tell you all about it. How to use this 20 portable floater. Firstly, we are carrying measuring rods. Then there are 3, each one is 1 meter. We'll take out the measuring rod. The sidebars are marked with numbers on them. It corresponds to a number every 10 centimeters. Then we need to find the corresponding numerical code. Then just assemble it up. Then we take out the chassis. Align with the middle position. Secure it with this conical nut. Secure it with this conical nut. Usually we fix it on this chassis. About 10 centimeters. Then we'll take out the propeller. After fixing it in place, let's screw this on again. So we'll finish assembling the propeller. Remove the handheld device. The handheld connection cable has a 485 interface. Just align this with the groove and insert it directly. On the other side is the wiring terminal, then we will directly press it on top of this. Press it down. Press down on this later. Then press this here. Before measuring the dryness and entering the water, what we need to pay attention to is the directional marker in the middle. It is free to move around. What about pointing in the direction of the target? The diricyon that needs to be turned, with the lower finger should be kept horizontal. Its function is to bring, after the front rotor enters the water. Sometimes the water quality is quite turbid. We cannot determine the direction of the bottom rotor, because we are measuring require the rotor to be facing in the direction of drinking water. We use an upper directional marker to judge one pointing direction of the lower rotor. Before conducting the measurement, we hold the side pole with one hand, then enter the water. And then we near to ensure this water surface. If we don't pass this rotor, it's 10 to 20 centimeters. The data obtainer in this way is ideal, because the water area we are tasting today, it's a still water, so we need to bring it up afterwards. Let's simulate a forced rotor, the situation of rotating an actual water flow. Now our handheld instrument is turning on. After booting up, we see that directly entering is a measurement interface, and before the measurement, there are several parameters we need to adjust. Then click on the menu to perform the directional change, and then this signal for each circle. This doesn't need to be adjusted, including the quantity of this signal. No need to adjust, including. Then we need to adjust one place, measure the cycle. The maximum is 9,999 seconds. What about the measurement cycle? You can have a minimum of 1 second, but what we suggest is 20-60 seconds. The data that came out is quite ideal. Of course, you can test it in 1 second. No problem even after a few seconds of testing. Assuming we set it to 20 seconds now. Then click confirm. Then let's take a look at the settings of other menus. And besides this measurement cycle, section, that cutoff point, what's the cross-sectional area? These don't need to be measured temporarily. Then we will proceed with the actual measurement directly. Now, let's talk about how to measure. So what? You can freely choose the measurement method for a single measurement, continuous measurement or multi-point measurement. You only need to press the corresponding button when using it. Now, for example, if you place an order and measure it once, then confirm entering the program key, then the rotor is placed in water, then the measurement time is automatically counted down. After completing one measurement cycle, the screen will give you automatically calculate the average flow velocity and average flow rate.